Emory Healthcare went above and beyond what I could have hoped for. I'll never forget, there was a cross-country race, and I finished it, and I could barely walk afterwards. It was hurting in my hip area, and I'd had some hints of it earlier, but I finally went to the doctor, and they took a look at it, and they said, half your cartilage is gone in your right hip. That's why it's so uncomfortable, and our recommendation is that you have, hip replacement. I knew that it would probably limit me or maybe even end my running, but it took me a good year to figure out what my options were, and that's when I started finding about other procedures like hip resurfacing.
Running is a huge part of Michael's life, and he's also a leader in the running community in Atlanta. And a big part of the goals of surgery for us together was not only get him back to competitive sport as an individual, but also to get him back as a participant in the community that he loves and that needs him.
I felt relieved that I had found someone that had the same mindset and was going to do their best to make sure I got back to running again. I think the biggest thing for me with any sort of healthcare provider is that they're honest with you. Dr. Premkumar was confident that it was the right procedure for me and that I would be able to handle coming back from it.
In Michael's case, Emory Healthcare has not only dynamic x-rays, the ability to analyze gait, but also the ability to do computer-assisted surgery, and with the latest implants, and most importantly, a focus shop, an entire team of folks in the operating room that know exactly what to do, that have done this type of complex surgery all the time.
Having this procedure done and being able to come back to running has been really good in terms of feeling like I'm actually a member of the team. Because even though I'm the captain and I do kind of the organization part to get teams together for a race, it wouldn't be nearly as fun if I couldn't run. Just enjoying simple things like being able to go for a hike or go climbing with my son. It's an opportunity that wouldn't have happened without Emory. To Dr. Premkumar and his team, I just wanted to personally say thank you so much. Because of Emory Healthcare, I am hopeful that my older years as an almost 60-year-old are going to be healthy, active, and happy.